Patrick Beck with XLR Boost out here at the plant, and I wanted to talk about our Furrion tankless water heater. This is a 2.4 gallon per minute unit, 60,000 BTU, giving you approximately 144 gallons per hour of hot water. Let me show you the inside. Very sleek design, taking up minimal space. Now here we are inside the coach, and one part of the Furrion tankless water system, it's also going to give you the Furrion intelligent control thermostat. This thermostat's going to display the temperature, pressure level, and time, and it's also going to indicate when the pressure is low. Now for setting the temperature, you can set it anywhere between 95 and 124 degrees. Personally, with my sensitive skin, I like to have it at 102 degrees.